ki abaibori bagendrete kwenekinga aboroki gwankogenda bali asiskuru kurase kaunti ya Kisii nigo egati ya abaibori abange barekana amona aboroki gwabo likwenekinga ngwikirana bali asiskuru egento babiro akuboria abalimu abanene besikuru che secondary go chia gwanchira abana goso asiskuru no mbwati school fees muninchiremo yokoena na libaga go chia abaibori goligia school fees kubatkana amona gokonga kubugima Mulikito Edwin Mokaya nigo agotochakelia ayatikire kurwase kaunti ya Kisii na roboto irwasenchira yobukira
Ekero aboroki b'ekikuru ao che secondary bagendete kogenda chikuru echo nigensemo yabibuliase omucho busongo besokire nakolera igoro yogokonga kubugima
atwikire yechisemi abeire buna no monto koligie ticket yo kwa rine ndege ogende no na America esenge incho besa bono igano bolia bangina bali stage ambo bwati besa bakoirira abane skuru aba iboli igo bachandegete ko kori ginchire ndi onse mwana gende skuru
bagokwana muna Kisii TV stage yanene y'Kigali me mu Kibusongo niga bibuli abo baganira abalimu abanene kwanchira abana bagoso achikuru ekero bagendete koligia chibese abalimu na chi principal banchira ne ko admit abana chibesa bakoligeri kutalinga chibe wiki omwana nga toango chibesa pesa nchiyo irana no mwana na yamanya kukosi kwanyora abana bande bagoseri kwa bande bakwira nchira ne chipigipigi ne chi accident
abantu basumbogeta nango sabya serikali n'abalimu baito abana vuzi bali barake school mo basa ko baseli kirikende ke baratware mu bapoke ese sababu nanye ni numoroche uchumi na kongeta
bonale go sababa iboli nanye n'abalimu nanye ne serikali enene tax boni gegere igoro tafadhali gaki umarayo ito president Ruto to kerie tax gere igoro ili tonyore chibese chiabaye n'abana bakwande school
asetari yeto ni gotwika ase eskuru enene ya mura ya Kisii abwase begora bene litukuria rero na nigo oyo mwaboroki ase skuru iyo Mr wako aereire igoro yo mubaro bwaboroki bose ase skuru iyo ase nonya nabo no mwenso gucyasa bibuli mayiga yo mwalimu omunene buskuru iyo gochika aboroki wa banchirwe gosoa eri bakane chibesekero cyatokire ase ngincho yo kunga kubogima.
We are receiving the boys today. They have been away from school for like 2 months. And so basically our process is one, to welcome them back to school. Two, to check whether they have everything that was required what they were required to have. So when they went home, they were supposed to come with shopping, books and everything else. We want to appreciate the principal of the school because he gave us instructions that the boys can report even without paying school fees, because we know the country is undergoing hard economic times. Parents are complaining. They have kids here and elsewhere. So whatever that they come with, we are under strict instructions to allow them settle in school as parents make arrangements to settle the school fees.
Aboroki wabo ni gono bebekirange asama somo mwaka oyo na mono balia bekirasi ge 12.
My name is Daniel Maribe Kwaba, a Form 4 candidate in the grade school Kisii High School, and we're glad that the school has allowed us to come back to school, even if most of the students haven't cleared the fees. Okay, none of the students have been sent back for fees, and as we get back to school, we are ready and much equipped to learn, with our teachers ready to receive us. As this year, the Form 4s are more than ready, and they are quite okay and ready for the examinations to be done.
Reporter Kisii Television kurasa mu Kibusongo Ritariane Edwin Mokaya.